You're rushing out the door and desperately trying to get all your work done before you leave, only to realize your old computer can't even keep up with your daily tasks. No more scrambling to find a file on a slow hard drive or waiting forever for a program to load. That's where the HP OmniDesk desktop computer comes in. It's like having a superpower that makes all your day-to-day tasks easier and faster. With its robust AMD Ryzen 7 8700G 4.2 GHz processor, you'll be able to handle anything that comes your way with ease. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to seamless performance. Let me show you what I mean. The HP OmniDesk desktop computer is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen processor, which expertly balances performance and graphics for your everyday computing needs. That means you can enjoy fast loading times, immersive visuals, and efficient multitasking, all without breaking a sweat. And with 32GB DDR5-5200MT/S memory, you'll have plenty of room to store all your files and programs, so you can focus on what matters most. Plus, with the instant access to your AI assistant via the Copilot key, you'll be able to get things done even faster. But that's not all. This desktop also comes equipped with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe M.2 solid-state drive, which means you'll experience lightning-fast loading times and responsive performance. And with Microsoft Windows 11 Home, 64-bit, you'll have the latest operating system to take full advantage of your computer's capabilities. Now, I know what you're thinking. How will this affect my daily routine? Well, let me tell you. With the HP OmniDesk desktop computer, you'll be able to work more efficiently and effectively, which means you can accomplish more in less time. You'll be able to focus on your work without distractions, and you'll have the confidence to take on even the toughest projects. But don't just take my word for it. Once people try this, they stop reaching for their old computers altogether. That's how good it is. And with its sleek design and compact dimensions, 12.40-inch LX 6.10 WX 13.27H, you'll be able to fit it seamlessly into your home office or workspace. So what are you waiting for? Don't let outdated technology hold you back any longer. Get the HP OmniDesk desktop computer today and experience the power of seamless performance, efficient multitasking, and lightning-fast loading times. Click the link below to order now and start achieving more in less time.